the waste market. Me put cover with this. Only when I go need this thing.
Cletus! What did you find here? Does this one go keep make all this get it be conquered? If it's small picking, Cletus! I still talk, they find something.
Not be dustbin you call him. You want chop him?
Whether na dustbin or no be dustbin, no concern you. Make it no be waiting in my mind, they tell me now they do so.
Now you sabi waiting your mind, they tell you.
Where they go?
What happen?
Money.
Money for waiting?
Money for the thing we carry now, some money.
Which goose?
You know, see, money.
Come, not be this thing now where you talk say you the way make those people control where am. Make I pay for this.
Hey, Cletus, na money.
You said they see why some people can never enter heaven.
I know.
Huh?
Me, I hear, I know.
Which kind of country be this to even see one single Christian where they talk through na lie? Something where you just tell me now say na dustbin. You the way make those people control where am. Now you they ask me for money.
But the thing they useful for you now, that's why they ask for the money.
Sure, you know say na wickedness na keep you like this.
I know.
Since where I know you they work this way, even overall you never forget.
But I they condemn my clothes every day. For waiting.
So waiting.
For what? You don't know what you carry. For waiting now. What I take this thing?
What you carry?
You see now. You know how much they say. See how many things we carry. I beg him one job.
Leave the other one.
For waiting now.
I don't throw away one.
Now complete them. Money never day here. What did I go take this thing to?
For how much?
Take them. You know what you carry, so give me the money.
I don't blame you. If you say I come the normal time where they come, early morning or for night, come pick what I want pick. You go there here, they ask for money.
Hey, God. I don't say you understand like this. God go bless you for this thing where you do this morning. Child.
Baby, please accept my offer of love. Even when I want to amen marry, condition fit change tomorrow.
Condition fit change tomorrow. Jude, leave me alone. I don't love you. I am not interested in your love. Besides, I'm engaged to Mike. Is that difficult for you to understand? Hey!
See, you know, my love for you, even there for Bible. See, I get the love I get for you. I will never.
Jude!
I will never let you. I will never leave you unless you love me.
Okay. You will never leave me unless I love you. To love now by force. Jude, to love now by force. Is it by force to love someone?
Jude, she doesn't love you. What's the problem? Huh? Why are you disgracing yourself?
Okay, to tell you say I love you well. To tell you that my love for you, Nagape love, Some people they talk say love is blind, but my own no they blind. I wait to make I enter market. I know your size. I can't go buy this pant for you. I know say you go size you. Tell you say I love you.
So, it's pant and bra that you want to use and show me love, Ewa? You want to use pant and bra to show me love?
Na your size.
Oh yeah, get out.
Na your size.
Leave this place! If you don't leave here this minute, I will bathe you with a bucket of water. I will use a bucket of water and design you. Wait. Come on!
Na your size. Now.
Baby love, please throw that to me. Throw it away. I don't want it.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Where did Cletus? Where did Cletus go to?
Cletus?
Yes.
They went out since morning. They are not back yet.
Okay, I brought something for him. Can I give it to you to give him? I mean, food. Food, yes.
No problem.
You know him very well, right?
Of course, it's my neighbor.
Okay. Never mind. I'll come back by myself to give him the food. Thank you.
Now, Cletus fit gain mind. They pursue this fine girl. Joe.
Jesus!
Oga, thank God say you survived that accident too. All the parts where those people put for you, all of them now mortuary. Roasted and rust parts now they carry put for you. Thank God, thank God say you survived this accident too.
So these boys want to kill me through accident, eh? Eh? Oh, thank God I survived it. Thank God I survived it.
Oga, see, now testimony you go give for church to say survive that kind of accident. If not, that can pass. Now death.
Don't worry. Look. Please, get all the necessary parts and put them in the car. I am coming back to see you. But first, I am going to meet those boys. I will deal with them. No. Don't worry. I am going to deal with them.
No problem.
I'm coming back to see you.
No problem, Oga. No wahala.
These boys have disappeared. These boys have run away. These idiots. Huh?
Chief, don't worry. Since this is their shop, we must surely apprehend them.
That's what I want. I want those boys behind bars as soon as possible. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
I've looked for him everywhere. I've called him on phone. I've even gone to his house to look for him. I couldn't find him.
Babes, calm down. Maybe he got an urgent call or something and traveled. He will soon call you, or maybe his phone is down. Relax. Relax, Adele.
It's not been easy. You know, we did very busy since. We did very busy. Planning and all that. We get this international contract where FIFA give us.
Are you serious?
Oh yes.
Oh my jingles.
No, ask him.
Well, actually, we are traveling to England to represent Nigeria in the English Premier League.
Are you serious?
Yes, and we are traveling very soon. Very, very, very soon.
Actually, yesterday we supposed to travel, but I told them now, can't happen. I can't travel without seeing my girlfriend.
Baby, I love you. Oh, I love you, baby. I want to go with you.
No, not be me. Not be left to me. I would like to go with you now. But now because of these FIFA people. FIFA. There are laws at we have to change FIFA.
Of course.
No, we have to change.
Let's get there first. No, let's get there first.
Our own region will remove the president. Maybe put you.
Me?
Oh yes, so that you can be making laws wey go dey favour us.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. Come with your friends.
Yeah, can come with your friends now. Come with your friends. As many as we can.
Anyway, let me get you guys something to drink.
Please. Yeah. Maybe our last drink before you go with
Ada, I'm thinking about we hanging out tomorrow and let's have some fun together.
Tomorrow? I don't think Saturday is a good idea. What about Sunday?
Sunday? Will you be chance Sunday?
Sure.
Okay, you know, I understand you bankers, you don't joke with your Saturdays. So you can tidy up your things and your housework. And what again?
Rest. You know, my job is very stressful. That's why I don't joke with my Saturdays.
Yeah, I understand. No problem, sure. But at least you could come to my boutique, we chill together, have some fun, and at least for the sufferings that you made me pass through.
Sure. Don't worry, I'll be there.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
Okay. I have to start going.
Okay.
Take care of you, okay?
Alright. Take care of yourself.
Onojie, wayo, wayo, sisi wayo. Oloyibo, manobo wayo, sisi wayo. Itukata, ifeni ni kulu wayo. You are a lawyer, you are a banker, man if in a woman in a legala. Sisi wayo. Sisi wayo. Onyolu oyibo, sisa wayo.
Come check the number and go there. Sit down. Okay.
I'm Inspector Sam from State CID. You two are under arrest for attempted murder, duping people, selling of fake tools, and impersonation.
Oh God. Even if that is when they born us, now we start to commit. We go don't do all this is where you list so.
Why they never put our picture for paper and television? Come write them wanted.
My dear, they go.
Officer, take them.
Move.
Hey, don't touch. Move. That's a light on you. You say follow the come. Okay, wait. Now you the light this light.
Wait, I go go back.
Move.
Wait.
No be this one. Why they move? You get one.
Move. Life of my
So you gonna do people.
I'm moving now.
Don't do that to you.
Don't try. I'm here.
Move.
Banker in this country, some of you know how well selling gala is just a hobby. When you see her, you will know it's true. She's a banker.
Ada, you know her? That's the girl I told you about. You know her? Yes. That's the banker I told you about. Banker? Yes, I'm sure of that. Just don't tell me you're joking. What? That's my gala girlfriend. What? That girl sold gala to me some time ago. I even tried to ask her out, but she didn't. I said I gave her money to put in the bank for me. I didn't see her again. Sonny, banker? She's the banker, I'm sure of that. She's the banker. Yes, I'm telling you. 250,000 banker. Yes, she's the banker, I'm sure of that. Sonny, man, forget about the money, man. They go galago, man. Ada? You know what? I know her house. I will teach her a lesson. I will get her, I will teach her a lesson.
Where's that out and cause herself out? I will deal with that girl.
Oga, take am easy. Take am easy. Ada did not come back from work yesterday. You know this bank work now.
Which bank work? She is not a banker. That girl is not a banker. Banker my foot.
I beg now. Why are you vibrating? Is there anything the matter?
Tell him.
Tell us.
Okay, that girl is a tout. She sells gala at the park. She is not a banker. She stole my hard-earned money.
What is it?
Yes, she duped me.
Hey!
I will do it, her.
You mean Ada, the banker?
I beg you, bros. No verse. I beg repeat that way you talk again, my hair.
I said she is not a banker. She is not a banker. She sells gala.
I said it. I see that girl. For one kind of completed beauty. I said they look up. I don't know what they do. But they tell now. I said a banker. Now what he call himself banker.
Wait. Now our senior staff when they talk about.
What do you say? You no go shut up your mouth.
Which senior staff?
Our own Ada, what they form for us here?
Bank standing order. I talk him.
I suspected that girl. I suspected her.
Stop.
Hey.
What a mighty boutique. I must say, your sense of investment is very nice.
Thanks, baby.
You know what? I think we should talk business.
That's why I love you. Business, business all the time. Always business.
You should think of enlarging your coast
Yeah, you're right.
for our unborn children. Nice shoe.
You like it? But we have to talk business at home.
You. That's mine. You know what? It's okay by me.
For sure. Tonight?
Tonight.
Deal?
It's a deal.
Deal, right? Okay, I'm cool with that. Baby, I think we have to go now. I'm starving.
Alright.
Baby, so tell me, how does it work?
First, you open an account on my bank with the sum of 200,000 naira and above.
Okay.
To increase your chances of winning a Kia car every month. First runner-up gets a trip to Dubai.
Wow. Oh, that's a nice offer. So if I open an account in your bank, at month end I get a car, and if I call first at the end of the year, I get a trip to Dubai. Wow. Well, baby, I won't be chance to go and open an account in your bank. I have to check my stock this weekend. Maybe you can do that for me. Now, you know you're a banker and it will be easier for you.
What am I here for?
That's so sweet, no, baby. You know we can make a great couple. Don't worry, tomorrow morning you just come to my boutique and pick the money, okay?
Hurry up, I'm in haste. I have other clients to meet and I also need to do paperwork on this so I can give you your documents to sign.
You know you bankers always doing with time. Okay, baby, this is the money. It's 250,000. I think we should start with this for the meantime.
Alright, thank you so much. I have to get going now.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Alright, bye.
Take care of yourself.
I will.
Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Don't talk to anybody on your way. Since then, I never saw her. I tried her line so many times. Every day I keep calling her line but switched off. Until yesterday, I saw Ada yesterday. She saw me and ran. She ran away.
It's a real pity, young man. Anytime we see her, we will call the police.
You better do. You better do. I will teach that girl a lesson she will never forget. Tell her I said so. I will come back for her.
Simuku. Hi, Onyeri. You mean say I don't get this kind of sense? Do this kind of person? Hey! This girl don't hammer. She don't hammer.
I will say, na me hammer like this. God, provide my own maga.
You know what happen? The thing be say, see what happen. When it happen like this, person like me, if you begin to wear suits, corporate, come carry glass for eyes. I no fine.
Now what for you?
Come find one baby who I go dey maga. He never enter.
Birds of the same feathers.
Siama, oh, Siama. Don't mind them.
See more kissing suits.
Idiot. Still don't serve the hammer.
Babes, please don't be offended that I have spent 3 days in your house.
What are friends for? I can't throw you out of my house now, just the way your landlord did. Some men are really wicked.
Thank you so much. My God will bless you for me. Well, I'll be leaving this city soon for Enugu.
Where do you want to go?
My elder sister has been forcing me to come see her since we lost our parents. So I have to go.
Okay. That's good at least. She'll help you get a good job. At least she will help you get a good job. Because I don't see a reason why a certificate diploma holder like you should be selling tickets daily for a living. Babes, no matter how beautiful you are, a man will never marry you.
Babes, leave that thing, no. You see that hustling, The hustling helped me well. The thing sustained me since I lost my parents. And that thing, they put food for my table now. At least it better pass doing a shower. Abi, how you see him?
Yeah, that's true.
If that's, This one you doing all this plenty makeup. Where are you heading to?
I want to see someone trying to look too.
Ito Igburu irere, mabudu irere, imani yantu Igburu, imani mantu Igburu.
Oh guys, we no get time. See, you come here make you find us architect more. For protection, we go use go run city, go run bank. We need protection.
We can ask Otutu. Otutu! See these armed robbers. They have come to you. Say I know voice about armed robbers.
Okay, we not get time. We not get time. See, make I tell you. Anybody if we make this job go smooth like this, that person a millionaire, I swear. But finally, make I warn you. If you no fit do am, make you for say am now. Because if you not tell us say you no fit do am, later we'll come back, you no fit do am. Bro, wetin I go do you? Just go dey dig your grave. Because finally, if I come back, wetin I go do you, you no go like am, I swear.
Your grave self go even reject you.
Wait, make I ask Otutu. Otutu! Otutu! You got the material? I never buy them. When? Next week. Weekend. Oh, okay. Alright. Otutu say no, the material not there. We will take prepare the thing.
So what you call?
And I'll come next week. Or if I go to another customer, we go do them. If you do them finish, when I bring it here, I confirm them. Another person do them.
Make we dey go ag.
Me na go.
You dey fuck up. I say they do business here, sir.
Now material.
I talk and say, okay, I talk and say be fuck up. But finally, if I come back here,
no need to come back because I never do them. I never have.
The foolish man, I swear.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Bye bye, you know. Hey! Chineke n'igwe todrik. Ikere n'igwe ka. Ka do customer dey even. Ka we be shop mo dem dey do one. Hey! Chineke odogwe. Oye Gerard made a column. Nando the boom office.
All this Gary money, Gary up to do Gary night. That thing get effect too.
My brother, it's the blind eye. Huh? I dey tell you, too much Gary the blind eye.
That is nothing go chook person for eye, you're blind. You just
ask people where sabi drink Gary, go tell you.
Hey!
Poverty no good, my brother. Poverty no good.
Which kind of life is this? Not even sugar. Or maybe head of fish.
Not
at least maybe that will be the protein way inside.
Nothing.
I don't think continue like this, so.
No, nothing go in your hand now. No money in your pocket at all.
At the high thief.
Guy, I just suggest to whether you agree from me, we go back village.
Village?
Now.
If we reach there, what you go tell them?
Say we come live.
Which day will they go back?
That will no be problem. Leave and when you don't, I don't understand again, my brother. You suggest something now.
You don't know all these village people. If we just arrive like this, they're happy, greet us, welcome us, give us better food. They go wait. We not talk. Next day, the food go reduce more. We never see talk. The third day, if we not begin open bag, they share what we bring. Wait till they will use our IC.
Make we tell them say they threw bomb for the area where they stay, so everybody scatter. So now make us.
They not get radio. Nobody they buy newspaper.
You suggest another thing. I don't tire again. Poverty.
How person will carry empty belly sleep this? I want to sleep.
Surprise me.
Yeah?
Poverty na disease.
Inside this thing, inside ulcer and blindness, which one better pass?
If you ask me personally, I will say take blindness. Then make I consider whether I will fit manage ulcer.
Meaning waiting.
Meaning say you go take blindness.
Not me and you want drink. Why they share the
There be two sicknesses we mentioned now. You choose one, I choose one.
Inside the same garri.
What are you talking?
What do together?
I beg, leave me.
Come on, stop that. Why did you talk that kind of thing?
Now me say make poverty catch you. You they come out? I beg, buy me something where they come back. Okay. If you don't know, go well, eh? Fine girl. These people for this compound. Don't worry. One day, all of them.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. I beg, who are you looking for?
I'm looking for Jeremiah. I was told that I can find him here.
Jeremiah?
Yes.
Sorry, why did you look for him? You police?
I'm not a policeman. I'm his father.
My father?
Are you Jeremiah? So, my son, that was how it all happened. Your mother insisted that I should not take you. And I'm so sorry for my staying too long.
Well, it's okay, Pops. That was a mistake. And it's all in the past now.
That's all right. So, where do you work now?
Well, Pops, you see, that's a very long story. Story for another day.
It's all right. Don't worry. Henceforth, you'll be managing my business, okay?
Oh.
All my vehicles at your disposal. They are all for your use.
Oh, thank
you are free to use all of them.
All of them. Thank you, sir. Pops more.
Thank you for thanking me, my son.
Thank you. Nothing to you.
You're my son.
Yes, thanks, Popsy.
Oga. Good morning, Oga, sir.
You're here, what's the name? Musa, right?
Yeah.
How are you?
Hello, Oga.
All right, thank you. Yeah, so that is it now. So when I finish, I'll try and call you back later this evening. Then we'll know how to
Jeremiah.
Then I will let you know everything I do, right? But I'll call you back.
Jeremiah, let me like talk to let's say they talk to you, just they do like say, see, you get what I won't tell you. Call you, they do.
Come here, Chris.
You get what I won't tell you, I beg.
Oh, so you don't grow wings. To open your mouth to call me Jeremiah in my pop's house. Me will bring you come here. They feed you, they clothe you.
You drink?
So we don't become mate again. Me and you don't take the same class. Now, if there's anything you want to tell me, put it in writing. Do you understand me? Hey, you! Come, get out from here. Go to your duty post. Hurry up and go to your post and get out. Whatever you want to tell me, put it in writing.
Come, now Cletus, you they talk to.
You might.
Huh?
With the Chris, I said.
If I want to, you say make a write am.
Put time for writing, or you get out. Now get out of here. Get out.
Push your face now. Cover your face with slap.
Me? Get out. Now get out.
The Chris.
Get out of my popsy's house. Get out. Get out. I said get out. Now get out. Get out now. You don't want to get out? Ah, okay. You don't want to get out.
Sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, I see.
Sir,
Yeah.
this is the details of the last annual account of this company and how the company operates.
And how the company operates. Yes, sir. Come closer and explain it to me.
Okay, sir.
In a very plain language. Okay. This is the details of the annual. Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is how the company operates.
Yes, sir.
You didn't include. Oh, that's it.
No,
that's yeah. So I'm going to make out this so that you go and give to all the departments of this company, right?
Sir.
And yeah, don't worry. Do you know you're very beautiful?
Thank you, sir.
And after this.
Qualatus. That's the one out like this. I never watch you.
See, I beg, it will be your name. If food not your problem, food not my problem here. I beg you, I beg.
So, I dey look me, I never go bakatia winchi one. I think me is food. What I dey hungry.
I don't blame you. I go blame you, I don't blame you. If you say you know as me and Jeremiah day, this Jeremiah where you see so, we don't turn this into another thing. If you say you know as me and I'm day, me and Jeremiah can day like this. We go buy Gary, woke up. 2 of us go eat her for 2 weeks. We don't dey mind. Me and Jeremiah they dey for 4 days. We don't see anything to eat. Nothing can do us. Me and Jeremiah don't sleep under the bridge. Nothing do us. We don't care. We don't mind. Because Jeremiah don't get money. See the way they treat me. If I was Jeremiah, he say make I go pay for.
Qualatus wallahi I don't go kill me. So, because of my friend, I get me money past you. That's why I stand here, I declare am. Kuleto. Kai.
Money. Money that you dey do me like this.
And I chew one money.
Go mark am. Mark am, thought I go fire you.
And I chew one money.
Money, you no go take away, you no go take away. Money that you dey do me like this. No problem. I don't cry again, sir.
So, son, how's everything going on?
Well, I'm trying to put in my best. But what surprises me, Dad, is how you were able to put all this thing together.
Wow. You see, son, it's just hard work. Remember your mother never gave approval to my going for greener pastures. Yes, that time. Remember?
Yeah, but not to worry. Not to worry. God will continue to see you through.
Amen.
Meanwhile, will you be going to the office today?
To the office? No, today's Saturday.
Oh!
I will be going to the
I
office.
forgot.
Today's Saturday, man.
Maximum!
Oh, yeah, my good son.
Jeremiah, I want to discuss something with you.
You say?
I said I want to talk to you.
Well, let me pretend I didn't hear that. I didn't hear that insult. Well, whatever you want to tell me, say it fast because I'll soon be going out for lunch. Hey, and you. So I sent you to go get me a newspaper since morning and you're just coming back.
Oga never like that, but wallahi it's not halfway like that. I come out here, I go, but I never get me a quadra. I Sireka secretary, I read Jack show, I look, I never see me keke. I dey going, I reach where I buy me paper, I never see any vase there. Like people I sell me paper, I say I can wallahi. I dey turn them, I dey coming back, I see me, I run, I dey get them Oga, she I dey bring out.
I'll give in. Get out.
Yeah. Get out! I are going, Oga. Thank you very much, Oga, sir. Oga.
Jeremiah, waiting enter you. Jeremiah, waiting enter your head. Waiting they turn your head. You don't forget me. Jeremiah, me and you drink nothing where we never suffer together. Me and you they drink one pure water like this. One pure water we go share them. Everybody hold small. We dey. Jeremiah, you forget all the past. So tell you go sit down, they drink brandy, they shout for my head, make they cook for you when you go chop. Jeremiah, me. Jeremiah, I won't know. Wait till make you they treat me anyhow.
I will tell you. You see, thank God you talk say all the pure water they drink and everything like before. Now level don't change. You don't understand? Level don't change. And let me tell you, if you're tired of working for me, resign. Or better still, go look for your own father. Go to your popsy house. Understand? So for now, I want to concentrate and read this.
Jeremiah, me they insult. They insult me. No problem. I no go resign. Because I know say today na your own. But tomorrow na another person get am.
Thank you.
I no go resign.
Thank you. Now get out.
No wahala.
Get out.
I no go resign.
Get out.
Jeremiah, give me drink. Nothing go happen with me and you share drink.
I will slap
me and you are friends. Not a trick me anyhow. Wait! Now your friend and me, Jeremiah, give me drink. If I follow you sit down for here drink something, Jeremiah, you not go die. Now your mama just got money. Give me drink. Give me drink. Oh! I go drink up.
Hey, the baby. See ya, you too sweet. One single energy, no dey my body again.
I see.
You won't kill person. Now listen, no vex. In your former world, you be jacking because you can jack, especially when you do on top. But you make sense, die. Hey, you make sense, yes. I don't know, say all this quietness where they're quiet, all this why. Say na tigress, na in there under you, inside you, around you, everywhere you be tigress. Unugebu madule.
Baby, stop flattering me.
No, see.
I'm all for you.
I understand. Actually, I am not flattering you. I am not. I'm just making a statement of facts. Yes. You know, for this thing that you did for me, this thing, I'm going to surprise you. As a matter of fact, I am going to promote you to a higher office.
Wow.
Yeah, it's called elevation. Yeah, promotion. Then I'll put you in well-furnished and befitting office. Yes. And I will increase your pay.
Wow.
So what you go do now is to go outside there, look for somebody that will replace you because you're going higher.
No way. I'm still here as your secretary. I'm not going to share you with anybody.
I'm not actually sharing you with anybody, but
This one will sleep. Guys, get to Musa don't come. Musa don't come. Go to sleep.
Oh, Cletus wine now, eh? Why you can't disturb this beautiful dream I dey dream? Why? Why?
Go get up from that place. You talk serious matter. You talk. We can't hear dream. You say get up. You talk.
No be joke. Oh. I see my papa for inside dream. And they tell you, but if you see money, see cars everywhere. So they establish one very big company for me when I be the managing director for the dream. And they tell you.
So now so I tell lose you.
How?
Finally, now madness, now you end your matter.
No be crazy, my brother.
Papa, what you don't get for real life, now you go to get for dream.
I say this thing when I see come they clear like I watch for TV.
I never give to me, Papa.
Oh, yeah?
I never get to me.
I'll tell you. Oh boy, Cletus, I say this thing no be lie. The thing just be like reality, be like say I dey watch am for film. Oh boy, say hey, see money. I know say my papa get money like that too, until I see am for dream. See places, see mansion. Ha! Now wow.
Wait to medicine no go be. You mean say you know the address? You know.
I dey tell you, I know the address.
So if you say you know the address now.
Man number 26 Adenrele Street, VGC, very big mansion. Can't get black gate.
Wait to get him money wallahi. Kaifa, listen. I dey Zirimo kuma I dey very good, very reality. Yeah, I read them Quran. Kuma in the Quran, no please Quran. I read them for Bible. A Bible I just I did remember. In the Daniel kuma I did remember. In Bible man, I did reality.
This thing make it not go be say na true.
I dey tell you say na.
You know say you tell me say you don't know your.
I know too. I know. But this thing when I see her, you will be small something.
I baraka zawa banza.
If you see compound, if you see flower, if you see mates where they work for the mansion,
you don't go be say your papa get money oh.
Don't be making no be say who I see for doing na my papa.
Yo,
don't worry. That company where you be for me, I will employ you there. I will tell you.
And me for.
Thanks a lot. I won't forget.
It's alright. Okay. Safe journey, right?
Don't forget to visit.
I won't. I'll try, okay?
I need to hurry up. See the rains.
Okay, me too. I need
Already
to go back.
dropping. Alright, bye.
Take care.
Okay.
Hey, Neka. Now God send you. I swear. You don't know what you do for us. You just save the soul, but you don't know. And I tell you.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't mention. So, baby, you are telling me something to do. So, what about that?
Okay, that thing. That thing. Actually, the thing is heavy for my mouth. I don't know if I want to talk now. The thing just. Oh God, I want to tell you. You know, Jerry, Papa, say.
Jerry, Popsy, my Popsy. No be Papa.
Not be the same thing.
Popsy they different from Papa. Beg, give me some respect.
Okay. I beg. Let me talk serious matter. Jerry, Popsy.
Yeah.
You know this new duplex we built for VGC. They want do the housewarming, so in they insist say we must come.
For Lagos,
you know even ask us. Just go send tickets.
Yeah. Housewarming.
Hey, God, no, I never knew your father lives in Lagos.
What it be Lagos?
See, my sister, I say, as I did so now,
oh my
over
God.
happiness, now they kill me.
Wait it be Lagos? You never even to way impact come Lagos now. The man don't stay London, stay. Queen call him. That's your something.
Serious?
Ah.
Oh my God!
Even they Germany for 2 weeks. And then they just come back. They plan.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they
oh my
tell
jiggles! Oh my God! Oh baby, I love you, baby. I love you.
Me too. So the problem who they get now, you see, the man too love his son, too love Jerry. I gonna tell say Popsy relax, not be this Jerry. He said no, na my son. We dey beg am Popsy, relax now. We not be children. We can fly economy. He said lie. My son cannot fly economy. Popsy buy first class tickets. Send for us.
No,
say
flight, no, flight.
See
you. All they travel, all the countries when I don't visit.
Oh baby, I love you.
You know who they here?
I love you, baby. I love you. Oh my jiggles, I love you.
Hey! No, could not remind me what I don't forget since. What be this now?
Sorry, na love.
You see, Neka, this is when they take us small. All they travel when I first class. I never enter economy for my life.
If you know who this guy be, if na prodigal son, the papa they say, come inherit your property. He say no, he won't use his hand making money. Even though we not be taking now.
You know what they be prodigal son? You don't know. Prodigal son means first son of the family. Let me before so that's why.
Hey, first one of the rich man.
Oh my jingles, baby! Oh my jingles, baby! I love
Oh
you!
my radio! My radio! My radio jingles!
Baby, don't forget me, baby! Baby, don't
How
forget
can I forget
me.
you?
But I forgot.
Not only you I get now.
But I forgot you, baby.
We dey think we feel leave in the morning, we feel leave. Now this ticket, we just want tell the company
Oh my
first.
jingles.
Guy, you know what you go do? If we reach, may you tape up see. When we don't reach, may you send ticket. May she come meet us.
You know what thing happen? Don't worry. When I go, don't worry. Popsi go arrange the economy for you.
Oh
You said it?
Economy.
If you want to insult me direct.
Baby, anyone.
No. You know who you be?
Baby, anyone.
Don't be my Popsi mommy.
You know who this girl beat to me?
You know who my Popsi beat to me? But don't worry.
Economy. It don't fit happen. Me go fly first class, my baby go dey fly economy.
Baby, anyone.
No, not be anyone.
Down.
If not be say, maybe pilot feel hungry. This guy supposed enter where pilot dey drive the aeroplane. Sit down there. You know who dey here?
Don't worry, I go send first class. Come give you.
She's a banker in this country. Some of you know how well. Selling gala is just a hobby. When you see her, you will know it's true. She's a banker in this country. Selling gala.
Okalekwa police, I not follow 5,000. I not follow 5,000.
Where is her room?
Officer, this is her room.
No one is there. The door is locked.
Break this door and bring her things outside, officer.
We can't break it. Breaking into someone's apartment without a search warrant is a criminal offense.
Yes! Criminal offense?
Yeah, you know that.
Okay, we have to go and see the landlord.
Let's go.
Come, babes. When are you really leaving? Like, seriously, are you going with them?
Question. I told you we are flying with first class and you still asking questions. You don't understand. That's the problem.
So you mean you are flying very soon?
I'm telling you.
I beg my sister, if you travel, make you remember your customer. You know be a customer.
Remember you. I won't forget you.
You're promising her now. I will remember you, don't worry. By the time your Cletus and his friends spoils you over there, do you think you will remember people like her?
I beg.
Don't promise her what you cannot do.
Make her head be very, very fine, okay?
Good afternoon.
What I'm doing.
Afternoon.
Please, I want to make my hair.
Okay. Come in. Sit. So, what kind of hair do you want to make?
You have naked price now, right? My center party. My
Mmiri. Hey! Four children. Oh. What it? Three boys, one girl. Came on me. Huh? All the children we not supposed get.
Shut up, Fiakwa.
Shut up. Onye ka na agwa? Ekwe na ekwe n'isi ekwe. Aketom. Really? You?
Me?
You born your children from what?
Not me.
You get wife from what?
Not be me.
Hey, I suspect.
Ah!
I sent it.
Atut! Kedu ibe anyị ga-eme? Atụtụ gịnị ka anyị ga-eme? But I have solution.
Okay. What is the solution?
Naman, tomorrow, me should come alone in the morning make a wash her. But before then, I'll cook with her. Ofewu. These 3 chicken will represent 3 girls. Ofewu will represent 1 boy. Ewu ọzọ, another boy. Ewu na-abọ cook. Before I do what I want to do, we should come in the morning, come wash. Then the rest I'll do it. That one.
I have nothing. I want to reach out.
You will not do anything, but don't you get? You will not.
Okay, no banja.
Where do you think you're going with this thing?
I am tired of sharing my husband with Mame Water. I am going to...
You do not! What of you that has been giving all our children to a river husband? What of you?
You can say anything you want to say. All I know is that I'm going to...
Okay, no problem. You want to go?
Yes.
You want to go? No problem. You must refund me all the money that I've been spending on your head. Your bride price, the money I gave to your mother when she was going for August meeting, even this hair, all the money that I've been spending on you, you must refund them now.
You must be out of your mind.
Well.
Mine be say, my breasts, we don't fall finish. You must pay for them, lack of maintenance. Even if you don't get, when you dey chop me. No. Be say.
You're not going anywhere. You will not go anywhere. You do that.
Unless you go finish and for room.
You will not go.
I will give you extra one. Come.
My son, you're not going anywhere.
Extra one.
You see this girl?
I know you must be very tired. Since you say you cannot come, I'll be leaving for Nigeria.
Okay, Auntie Tina. But Auntie Tina, safe. Won't you allow me rest before you start preaching 9th vigil? Is that what you want to use to welcome me?
I will be leaving. Make sure you lock the door.
I've heard. Prayer warrior. Pray for me.
No problem.
Yes, it's time to bring out my money. Man.
Oh boy! God about our bread. See how she does arrange them for us. Come on, Mr. Plus your now. Please.
If to say na so they arrange them.
Chai!
We nobody get any proof.
Come on, first time. I want to make a bust your right now. Don't worry, them done.
Thief! Oh my God, my money!
Good morning.
Good morning. Now who is the fine? Talk, I won't go please.
Have we met before? As in, have you seen my face
I
before?
don't know you.
Have you worked for any Baba anywhere before?
I don't know anything about Baba. Dog, make I just go, please. I want
Never mind. I'm looking for Cletus and Jeremiah. They're around.
Hey, Cletus and Jeremiah. We never see them for 6 days now. Never
Hey!
I don't know what to do with them.
Hey! 6 days.
Hey! Make you no shout. Make you no shout. People still they sleep. People don't go like. You know, say the thing what you do now. Eh?
What did I do you? I bet Mona did. Hey!
You sure?
You think you sure?
Your papa figure this kind, please.
Shut up.
Yes?
You the Chris? You the mad? So you know even fit greet, Abi?
Now they knock, now they disturb.
Shut up. My name is Jeremiah. Chief, not tell you say I come today.
Wait, no. Leave this boy first. Where they worry you? Huh? What's your problem?
Oh.
Let's even assume say you don't get sense. You don't get eyes. As you see this person, so your mind not tell you say he resemble your oga. Say na him pikin. You want to sack yourself from this work? You want to sack yourself?
Open that gate. Now! Open that gate! Open
This work now where God manage give you. Say make hunger for not kill you. You won't drive yourself inside. Come on, open that gate.
Open the gate.
You sure say we're gonna say another call?
Come on, open that
gate.
Come.
Where that slap? You see the talk?
Let's go.
Oh.
Open that gate. Open the gate.
Look at you.
Stupid.
You know who this person be? You want to sack yourself?
You're
sorry,
lucky.
my dear.
Hey, what is that bucket doing there? Remove that thing and don't
house.
Dirty my popsies compound. Nonsense.
No. Guys, you see the inside there?
Hey, Cletus. Cletus!
If you see the inside there?
Hey!
Wait.
Now wait. I don't like this, Cletus. I don't like it.
Wait.
Who give you the permission to touch my popsies car?
Sorry. Now that one reverse you.
In my popsies compound. Sorry. And you, hey you, stop looking around anyhow. You understand me? Look at one particular place, that's all.
But guy, man, not like your papa.
Hey! Popsy! My very own papa! Popsy!
Where does that?
Yeah.
Where does that?
Thank you.
Long time. Now greet.
Yeah, don't worry. Popsy! Alpha, who are you? Popsy.
You don't go blame him, you don't take. Explain yourself.
Yeah, Jeremiah. Have you forgotten? Yes, now, Jeremiah, your son.
Jeremiah?
Yes, your son.
Inspector, please send your men to my house. Yes, please send your men to my house now. Yes, there are some criminals in my house, and I suspect they are kidnappers. Please, hurry up, send them right away. Please, seriously expecting you. Yes. Thank you.
Your bag is like this, how they suffer?
Small, hey, stop. You didn't touch anyhow for big man house. I don't want my popsy to have. So that is it, my brother. You see? It is. Hey, popsy!
Daddy.
Forgive me, my son. Forgive me, please. What will you all drink?
Daddy, you won't begin entertain us for our house again? Here in our house. But if you insist, all this champion, this we drink, when we use some, take cool down.
Take Chris?
And not because I want you from.
Now your papa house today. Popsy, don't mind him.
Come, this is get papa.
Shut up. Where your party? Pops, no mind that. Just give us any soft drink like champagne, what? Hennessy, AWURUM, a little.
One alcohol, one drinking alcohol. For other no say,
For this kind of house. Let's stop that rubbish.
Hey, Cletus, it's all right. We have servants here now. They can arrange that for him. Yeah, so tell the servants now where they attend to us now.
I'll do that.
Daddy!
Yeah. Just get relaxed in a moment to get these things.
I fuck up. Now we're getting talking now. Guys, we never see.
You don't come here before.
That was like the imagine.
Okay, just
as a trick man now.
I work a white at Yam, they could do what could do. Kunu one had a banana.
Daddy!
Yes, officers.
No, my bodyguard.
These are the criminals. Arrest them.
The three of you are under arrest. Move now.
Popsy?
I know this, sir.
Move you.
Move, my friend, move.
Popsy, what is it mean?
My friend, move out of this place. Pick them up.
Let me hear you.
Listen. Officer, the yam is I don't tell you.
I never know that somebody Papa. I want somebody Papa and push him. Okay. Yeah, I tell you because somebody Papa. I never know. Wallahi, I never know.
Okay. And I tell you, for my move. You know that man? Push him out. Do you know that? Hey, why are you telling me? How can you move? How can you move? Move.
What did I tell you now? You do for some my heart well. That man, you go leave him. That man no get power. You know if you do anything when they for your body. As you see me here, so fire. If I take care of you, finish. The man see you no go sabi you again. You go don't bump picking that time.
So you mean say you love me?
Hey, I love you.
I love you too.
Hey, just come and kiss me. Again. Again.
What am I seeing? Trupepe. No trupepe. Don't trupepe anything. Trupepe. I have seen everything. There's no need. Trupepe. So this is your plan, Mary. I no blame you.
I will call.
So this is your plan.
I don't treat them.
You want to take away my wife from me? Me. You will see me. I am coming. You will see me now. You will see me. Me.
Trupepe.
What are we going to do now?
What was?
Trupepe. You see it.
I hear about what? Trupepe. Come on, I ain't going
Adiboloja, Taitusu, Pawapa, Maka Adiboloja, Wayo, Taitusu, Pawapa, Adiboloja.
Baby, I want you to buy me a car and a house.
A car and a house?
Yes, I don't like my house again.
Baby, I don't understand you anymore. What are you saying?
No, wait. What don't you understand? I said I want a car and the house. You are telling me...
Baby, can you calm down and talk to me?
Okay. I want a house and I want you to buy me a car. Baby.
Oh, baby. You said a car and a house, right?
Yes, baby.
I didn't say.
No, Mika. I don't know.
So now you need to do for no verse. I go change them. Yeah? Okay. Udeman, bring it to. I bring this. Okay, bucket. You go walk. Huh?
Okay, Baba.
Tell me when you reach there, you make this work go.
Baba, I won't take and fly this one. If I follow you.
Yeah.
Fake magician you like to see Fugopano. If they wala begopano, fasting now always in the far.
Where is this man? Let's scatter here now. What is happening now?
Let's go after him. Let us go after him.
Let's go. Let me see him.
To see Fugopano, they wala begopano. Fasting now always in the far. What the boloja? To see Fugopano, they wala begopano.
Hey!
Stupid man! Stop there!
Monkey! That's forward.
Fake magician, no. Do I forgive her? Fake doctor, husband supplier. Fake magician, do I forgive her? Fake doctor, husband supplier. If you need wife, husband supplier. Husband supplier. If you need motor, spiritual supplier. Spiritual supplier. If you want husband, husband supplier. Husband supplier. Abina money, spiritual supplier. Spiritual supplier. If you want husband, husband supplier. Husband supplier. Abina money, spiritual supplier. Spiritual supplier. Fake magician, no. Do I forgive her? Fake doctor, husband supplier. Fake magician, do I forgive her? Fake doctor, husband supplier. If you need wife, husband supplier. Husband supplier. If you need motor, spiritual supplier. Spiritual supplier. If you want husband, husband supplier. Husband supplier. Abina money, spiritual supplier. Spiritual supplier. If you want husband, husband supplier. Husband supplier. Abina money, spiritual supplier.